Now,
we will discuss Samajwadi Party on another day. Today the question is, are you going to tame the RSS or your Prime Minister is too feeble? Is Mr. Narendra Modi so feeble tonight? Is Mr. Narendra Modi so feeble?
You talk only after that.
Again, the question you want to discuss Azam Khan? We can always discuss Mr. Azam Khan, but I thought that you would respond on Mohan Bhagwat making such communal statements saying that India would be a Hindu Rashtra, and you have not responded to that so far. Do you have the will to tame the RSS or not? That is the question the country is asking you tonight.
No, 1 minute. I don't understand this business of a golden silence. No, Chandan Mitra, 1 minute. Chandan Mitra, Dr. Chandan Mitra, 1 minute, please. Dr. Mitra. Dr. Chandan Mitra. Dr. Chandan Mitra, please.
Chandan Mitra would go and visit the RSS offices.
Chandan Mitra.
How many social cultural organizations?
Chandan Mitra, 1 minute. Gaurav, cease fire for a minute. 1 second. Cease fire for a minute. Just have a truce for a minute, please. Please, 1 second. But question is, is this simple question? I think Chandan Mitra, you're going to have to answer this. This secular, multi-religious, multicultural fabric of our country, which you promised to protect under your election slogan of India First. Now, please don't dodge this question also, because people are watching now. How many questions will you dodge? And Chandan Mitra, for a party that used to criticize the Congress for never speaking and dodging and ducking, if you dodge and duck so many times on the news, it doesn't look good. Now, my question to you is...
I am not dodging or ducking.
Sir, I am not saying you...
No,
1 second, sir. This is now a guilty complex. I'm not accusing you of... I'm saying if you do it, won't look good.
Dodging and ducking 10 times over.
You are not prepared to understand.
Sir, Chandan Mitra.
You are not prepared to understand.
My question, allow me to complete.
Because it is very clear, I am making it clear again and again, that the BJP and the RSS are not the same thing.
Sir, what you are making clear again and again and again and again and again, and if I may say so, again and again and again.
And RSS has a right to speak out.
And Chandan Mitra, what you are making clear again and again and again and again and again is that you have no view on this whole issue. What we are asking you, sir, again and again and again,
I am not required to have
what is your view on this
represent
issue?
the BJP. I have no reason to have a view, and certainly not to discuss this view in public.
How can you not have a view?
Whatever my view.
Okay, so
I will not.
I will not. I'm going to go 3 questions at Chandan Mitra.
Anyway, you called me here enough to discuss parliament.
Chandan Mitra.
On a false premise that you are discussing parliament. You are not discussing only RSS.
Chandan Mitra, watch it. Chandan Mitra, 3 quick questions and then I'll put it out to everyone. 3 quick questions. Okay? My first question to you is, do you think that the concept of Hindu Rashtra is synonymous with the idea of India First, which you promised?
I am not answering any of these questions because I was not told I will face these questions. I was told Parliament is going to be discussed. And you are not discussing Parliament. You are not interested in discussing Parliament. You are only interested in discussing something else. I should not have been misled into coming here on false pretext.
No, aren't these the issues which are blocking Parliament, Mr. Chandan Mitra?
No, nothing to do with whether I believe in Hindu Rashtra or I don't. How is that relevant to Parliament being logjam? How is my belief at all?
Well, you represent your party, Mr. Mitra.
How is my belief in Hindu Rashtra?
Aren't you a member of the Rajya Sabha of the BJP?
To the insurance bill being blocked by the opposition.
Sir, because the insurance, I'll tell you simply because the insurance bill.
In Hindu Rashtra or not? The insurance bill. What is the connection?
Sir, I'll tell you the connection if you allow me, sir. And by the way, I neither beguile anyone, nor do I mislead anyone, nor am I deceptive when I call people on the program. I'll tell you the clear link and then we can debate it. The coal mine bill, the GST, as well as the insurance bill 2008 is today at stake in Parliament. And people of this country, Chandan Mitra, I agree with you, everyone wanted development and reforms. And everyone is saying tonight, Chandan Mitra, why don't you get on with it? You know, why don't you get on with it? Why don't you let, why don't you just, okay, Prime Minister has to speak, let the Prime Minister speak and let's legislate. Let the Prime Minister speak and legislate.
Prime Minister has already spoken. Prime Minister has already spoken. Prime Minister already spoken, and after that, the opposition did not allow Parliament to run for 3 days. Arnab, please refresh your memory. Prime Minister came, he spoke, and then the opposition did not allow Parliament to run for
Sanjay
3
Jha
days.
wanted to come in
We
once
don't
and he can
want the
come in.
Prime
We're coming back after this.
Minister
Yes,
to be
Sanjay Jha.
insulted
Sanjay Jha, no,
every
Gaurav Bhatia,
second day.
Sanjay Jha.
He's the Prime
Sanjay
Minister
Jha.
of the country.
Sanjay Jha, this is
Arnab,
gone on
can I
for
ask
too
a
long.
question of Mr. Mitra?
Yes. Yeah, Sanjay Jha, go ahead.
Chandan, Chandan, one simple question.
Yes, Sanjay.
Let's not just focus on Mr. Mohan Bhagwat. You have Praveen Togadia today in Bhopal, who yesterday made a very inflammatory statement. He said he wants to see India
He is not a
having
member of the
100%
BJP.
Hindus in the shortest
He is
period
not
of
a
time.
member of the
So
BJP.
isn't that a very, very provocative and a dangerous statement, which means that you want to see 15%? 1 minute, but he said it in Bhopal, which has a Madhya Pradesh BJP government. Now, you have been saying something of Gaurav Bhatia, and I think Gaurav needs to answer that. But you have a BJP government in Madhya Pradesh, and that is a statement almost threatening that 15% of India's population, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, everybody will be converted into Hindus. You think that doesn't call for a statement from the Prime Minister of India? It doesn't mean an action will not be
Violation
taken.
of the law.
anyone.
If there
What
is a
is wrong
violation
in
of
it?
the law, Mr. Sanjay
I mean, are we
Jha,
talking
your
about
Congress,
Hindus?
Congress people in Madhya Pradesh.
I mean, it's incredible. It's incredible because you're all members of the big Sangh Parivar, Chandan. It's all big members of the
Why
Sangh
don't you
Parivar,
file
and you
an
got to
FIR?
accept it,
What's
Chandan,
stopping
that the
you?
RSS chose Mr. Modi as a Prime Minister. RSS foot soldiers campaigned for you in
Sanjay
the
Jha, no,
national
one second. I found a worrying comment from Mr. Rajagopalan. Sanjay Jha, Sanjay Jha.
RSS is making governors appointments, and today I
Sanjay
think you're
Jha,
right.
Mr. Rajagopalan wants to
BJP
say
is a
something.
puppet in
Yes,
the hands of
Mr.
the
Rajagopalan.
Sanjay Jha, what is wrong in Togadia speaking like that? And if it was criminally wrong, Madhya Pradesh government will file an FIR against him. Therefore, UP government also should file an FIR against Yogi Adityanath in Lucknow. Can they do it?
Is this
They won't do it. It's a state subject. Therefore, Congress,
Well,
SP,
let
they are
that's
running
Mr.
away
Gaurav
right now.
Bhatia's problem.
They don't meet the
That's
point.
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia's problem to explain. But there is a larger issue, Mr. Gopalan, that you need to understand. That the Prime Minister of India is not addressing just the opposition members in Parliament.
came to Parliament,
The
he
minorities in
answered the
India have
questions,
never been
he
more
clarified. What else you want from
concerned
him
and
more?
worried as they are over
He
the
has
last
already
6-7
came to
months.
Parliament.
And the
He
Prime
addressed
Minister
the
is the highest
Parliament.
political executive in India.
clarification is not adequate.
What else you want clarification? What else
So,
you want?
in what
You want to
Rajagopalan,
block him?
okay, please, 1 second, I'm coming
It
to
is
the studio,
arrogant.
Sabha.
want to block
That
him?
is-
First of all,
No,
Mr.
no,
Rajagopalan,
Conversion and equate.
No, please let me
They are
say,
saying.
Mr.
They want to
Rajagopalan,
equate with that. Opposition
either we
parties
go-
want to derail these economic reforms of Narendra Modi.
No, they don't.
Especially Trinamool.
that is not.
Especially
they-
Congress.
If they do so, then
They have a majority in
Mr.
Rajya Sabha.
Rajagopal, if
That is why
people-
they are showing the numbers.
they're making it the BJP,
Is
the
Lok Sabha
Sangh
not
Parivar.
functioning?
Can
Is
you
Lok
allow
Sabha
me
not
to
functioning?
speak? Allow me to
Lok Sabha is
speak.
functioning.
BJP leaders
Allow
are
me to
not
speak.
happy with this development. Arnav.
whether they are happy or not,
That's why
I
they
don't
are
buy
meeting
that.
and trying to resolve the issue. So there is a
So we accept that
is
they're
a
out of
discomfort
control.
between
Janto's
RSS and
formula.
BJP. You know, it is
Then
like
they can't
that.
control it.
That's Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh wanted to go to Pakistan and wanted to make peace, and Sonia Gandhi and Congress objected. But Manmohan Singh never expressed publicly, but there was some gap and differences. You know that Buddhadev Bhattacharya and Situ, it is like that. That you cannot.
But
you
this
cannot.
is a strong government.
So
This is a
actually-
government with a simple majority. Mr. Modi himself makes the point that the entire world today, Mr. Modi himself says the entire world takes India very seriously now because they know there is a government with a
so
strong
which is
majority.
why-
So people are saying exercise the majority.
Which is why or not the government is trying to speak with the actions. They did try to bring in the insurance bill. It was blocked in Lok Sabha. So they brought in the GST bill post haste into Lok Sabha. Now the fact is that in Lok Sabha the bills get introduced because the numbers of the BJP are more. It's simple mathematics.
No, what's
in Rajya Sabha it
Navika,
is the opposition which is completely blocked any business to be done.
this whole
The PM made
excuse,
the PM made one statement on Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti that didn't satisfy the opposition. What is the guarantee that a second statement will? And that's the argument that the BJP leadership as well as the government has been
But
giving.
Navika, principally the same argument was given earlier when questions were, will you act against corruption
if the
vis-a-vis the
Prime
Congress government? They said if we act in one time...
How many times did Dr. Manmohan Singh speak in Parliament on the
But that's
coal
the BJP
scam?
argument.
On the
There's no
coal scam, on
comparison.
the point
But
is
can that
the
become a-
point is that
No,
can
but
you feel the
Can
BJP?
Dr. Manmohan Singh's behavior in Parliament is an excuse for Modi? How can you have that as an excuse of Modi? How can you cite
Besides-
Dr. Manmohan Singh for Modi? Are you following everything that Dr. Manmohan Singh
Not
did?
only that, Arnab.
That's moreover, just
the
now you
simple point
mentioned
is then
that the bill is
are we
2008.
presuming
that means it was a Congress which was stalling it, BJP was stalling it. Now BJP has got it, make a statement and make the bills clear.
You know, this whole thing about
Exactly, simple.
So the point
I
is,
don't mind
that on both sides, there are large egos.
course there are.
And
No,
there,
no, no,
and
no,
there,
I
are,
don't
there is an
I
ego
don't think
clash.
it is egos.
It's
It
actually...
is
No,
not
listen,
ego.
Arnab,
It
this
is a
is
two-track
becoming
policy.
the
It is a
conversion-
two-track policy of the BJP Okay, what- to run
okay.
the Hindu Rashtra campaign
The
on one side and
conversion issue
development on the
is
other.
becoming, the conversion issue is being picked up by the international media right now. It is a very fundamental story now. It's not only playing out here, it is being picked up all over the world. Now this whole thing, either Mr. Modi can't control his own parivar, either we presume that at the beginning of this, because if he's really as keen on the economic agenda as Jayanta Das says he is, if he's so out of control and they're also upset. But you know, no, Jayanta, let me finish. Jayanta, let me finish. Either it is a game that you hunt with the hounds and you run with the hares. You want to say, oh, actually the PM doesn't like it, but what can we do? You walk this balancing act. We've seen it before.
Mr. Rajagopalan wanted to come.
It is not like that.
You can
Arnab.
respond to it directly.
It is not like that. Narendra Modi is in full control. I don't agree with.
Then he likes all this.
I don't agree on that.
No, then he
I don't
likes
agree
all
on that.
this.
Since
If
they
he's
are
in
weak in
control-
Rajya Sabha, Congress is exploiting
Then
it.
no.
Trinamool is exploiting it.
But that's
Trinamool
the
wants to
reason
stop the
this meeting
Sharda
is
scam.
taking place.
Trinamool wants to stop the Sharda scam. That is why they are
No, but
stepping
Modi
down the
admonished
This is
Modi
why I have
admonished his
one
party
at a time,
MPs.
That's the
No, but
reason
Modi
that I
admonished his
am-
party Mr. MPs. Ketkar. Modi admonished his party MPs. So he has actually taken a position in party. So why can't he take the same position
He has already
in parliament?
spoken,
No, he has not taken a position in
May I
parliament.
Sabha?
He says,
can
I have
he can
instructed.
He has spoken
He
in
says
Rajya
he has
Sabha.
instructed
You
his
can't expect
party.
Prime Minister to speak on 2 times on the same subject.
No, not 2 times.
No,
He has
we're
instructed
talking
the
about
party.
conversion.
Can I please go back to Gaurav Bhatia, who's been wanting to make a point?
That's the
like
reason
that.
this
Once
entire
again,
meeting of the
like-
top brass of the BJP and RSS is taking
See,
place
you see
to
now the
find a
conflict.
breakthrough.
Can I please come
And
back?
apart from that, Mohan
Can
Bhagwat
I-
is in town.
So you-
Mohan
so
Bhagwat
it's
is in
recognized.
town for another 10
Because
days.
it's
Mr.
recognized.
Rajagopalan, a minute, please. Mr. Ketkar, 1 minute. You see, now, Mr. Chandan Mitra, I'm sure you realize that the situation is fairly grave or serious. If the situation was not grave, then tonight as we bring this broadcast, then all the top BJP leaders wouldn't be sitting with all the top RSS leaders at Nitin Gadkari's house and trying to say what on earth are we going to do with it. Now, your argument has been principally that we have nothing to do with it. Now, Mr. Chandan Mitra, I'd like to remind you that a few days ago, Venkaiah Naidu said the BJP has nothing to do with conversions or reconversions. Principally the same argument that you made, because he said, quote, some individuals may take part because of their belief, but one can't find fault with the government of India, unquote. But today, the fact is, Chandan Mitra, and please just think this, give me a minute to explain this to you, then you can argue as aggressively as you wish. Right? And you can take me on as strongly as you want. And you can dismiss the question with as much of a swashbuckling style as you wish. But my question is today, the fact is that these individuals are your ideologues and their affiliates. How can you say we have nothing to do with the RSS? How can you say we have nothing to, at the least, if you want to distance yourself from the statements, you need to come out and say, I disagree with them. No, how can you say we have nothing to, can you say I have nothing to do with the RSS?
That we are separate organizations. The RSS has a large number of bodies over which it has an ideological influence. That includes the BJP. I'm not disputing it. But it's an ideological influence.
Political
It
front
is
of
not
RSS.
Any organization
No,
or
officially.
programmatic.
No, Mr.
No, let him come. Officially the front
Let
of
him come.
RSS. Let him come.
The RSS agenda. 1 minute. BJP does not dictate the RSS agenda. RSS does not dictate BJP agenda. We are separate organizations and we will follow our separate agendas. I don't see what is the problem in this. And I will just repeat, I will just want to repeat that the Prime Minister has made his position clear.
Said that he's proud
Mr.
to be a
Venkaiah
member
Naidu
of
has
the
made
Sangh
position
Parivar.
clear. How many ministers do the opposition want to be paraded and keep saying
One question from
Bill
Chandan
pass
Mitra,
kar
and then I will,
dijiye. What for?
One question from Chandan Mitra, and Chandan Mitra,
Arnab.
you see, tonight I'm happy you're not dodging, you're not ducking, but I must say you're not evolving either in your argument, you're stuck to the same line. And my counter question to you, Chandan Mitra, and
you
people
will
are
never
watching.
be satisfied.
Okay, I'll never be satisfied.
If ducking and dodging doesn't work, then you will come up with evolving.
Chandan Mitra, I agree with you. I won't be satisfied with this answer. But my simple question, and now I think people will really watch. I have a simple question for Chandan Mitra. And if you're watching this debate tonight, you're tweeting live, and the hashtag is House of Chaos. Please listen to my question and listen to Chandan Mitra's reply. And then you can tweet for yourself, and I want you to tweet now. The time is 9:43, and I'll send the responses to Chandan Mitra, who at a personal level I have great personal regard for. Not now, but for over several decades. My question to Chandan Mitra is the following. Chandan Mitra, tomorrow if Akbaruddin Owaisi goes on the campaign trail in Uttar Pradesh, makes a series of provocative comments that disturb the communal harmony of the area and go contrary to the Prime Minister's call for a 10-year ban on communal, he asked for a moratorium on communal violence, will you then say that the government of India should keep quiet? Will you then say, let anyone, including Akbaruddin Owaisi, and I'm only mentioning Akbaruddin Owaisi because I know Asaduddin will jump every time I make this comment. I'm mentioning because Akbaruddin Owaisi has a history of making communal remarks. Will you be quiet if Akbaruddin Owaisi goes on such a spree again? Please tell me. Will you also then say, we have nothing to do with it?
Yeah.
Will you say we will have nothing to do with it?
Is it
You know
against
very
the law?
well-
Chandan said that.
Yes.
Is it illegal?
You know very well that as soon as Mr. Akbaruddin Owaisi does that, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia and his party will pounce on
You're
him
not
and
answering my
arrest
question.
him because he is a rival
You're not
claimant.
answering my
He's a
question.
rival claimant to the Muslim vote bank. So they will do it.
Talk about the
Then
Muslim
so
vote
and
bank.
law and order in any
Chandan?
case.
No,
they
sir, you're not
subject.
answering my
So
question.
let them first do it.
Sir, why are you so bothered about what Samajwadi
I
Party
will
will
not
do? What
answer
will you do?
hypothetical questions. Arnab, I will not
They have
answer
started
hypothetical
Samajwadi
question.
Party. Let the Samajwadi
I have
Party
not answered
run the
hypothetical
central
questions, but I
government.
know what Gaurav Bhatia and his party will do.
These are not
What
hypothetical
we will do is
questions.
there to see what we have
I know he'll be happy to do it because he's a rival.
Arnab.
He's a rival in your
He's
vote
saying
bank
what they said
politics.
is not
Can I come in
illegal.
now?
What the VHP said is not illegal. What the RSS is saying is not illegal. But is there not a context in which things are saying? Are there not sensitivities, Chandan? Are there not? So we all know what
Okay.
this is aimed at. So is
Arnab,
there a
can I
limit to
come
free
in,
speech, or
please?
do we all
Is-
just sort of mouth
look,
off? All the mullahs come out, all
Sabha,
the lunatic
the
fringe
question
comes out.
simply is,
Everybody
is
says
there a
whatever they
violation
like,
of law?
regardless of what the outcome is.
Is there a violation of law?
Oh, you're
And if
defending
there's a
it.
violation of law, why doesn't everybody agree? Why doesn't everybody agree that we should have an
Can I
anti-conversion
please
bill?
make my point
That
now?
all forcible conversions or
Sir, you're
conversions
defending
to
Mohan
environment
Bhagwat.
should be banned.
What is possible?
You began by saying, I don't have a view, now you're defending
and
Mohan
I'm sure you will support it, Sabha. I don't know if Gaurav Bhatia will,
No, first-
but I hope Sabha will.
Okay, gentlemen, we're short of time. A quick reminder to all our viewers. I could have carried this debate on forward for much longer, but I want to tell all our viewers that we have Mission 44 debates coming up tomorrow. Will the BJP head up to Mission 44? We are all looking forward to that. That's also debate number 2, 7 a.m. onwards is our live coverage. I look forward to your viewership all through the day tomorrow. To our panelists on debate number 1, thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.